SKS Royal. Go ahead. Shit. Okay, let's try our luck in the night. It's 5 a.m. Should have a good run for this. Yes, has an angle of 45 to 70 degrees. Like you were taking off. Station. Focus now into the main road. So I'm close now to the mountain, my friends. Beer. Yeah, cheers.
Magluto pa lang sila.
Kasi ko gulay dati, mama.
Tignan natin to.
Last ko na din.
Kasi ang ano sa akin, parang like,
Ay.
Someone else truck, Mr. Jazz truck, 37 tire with Baja Boss, Mickey Thompson. Very nice. Alimaw, made of Belstein. Belstein lift. Oh, meron pa siyang gasoline. Big tire. This is called Baja Boss. Mickey Thompson. Actually, this is just only a Jeep drive. Let's take a look down. That's his links. Nice under chassis. Yeah. sweet. Meron ba siya? Oy. Oy. Look at that. Alright. School truck. Okay.
Buto hindi makakangin eh. Di ba usually makakangin paghapon?
Hapon sa spot na to. Hapon ang lakas ng hangin ha.
Ngayon, tahimik ko.
Dahil madaling iganon, pero pag nakatupi, parang dead body.
Makakabali ako.
Tapos hindi ko nilulook forward, lagi ilagay sa bubong.
Distrap pa eh.
Too much work.
Kaya
Kaya
sabi
sabi
ko
ko,
lang, gazebo sabi ko. Gazebo gawin natin tent ako natutungsod. Press ko pa. Sa camera naman eh, kaya okay lang.
kaya ginawa ko yung 2% tent na pang hiking. Malaki yung tapos yung mattress niya ganun.
Hindi tulad sa rec. Dalawa mo.
Ano yung baboy or ano?
Baboy din.
Talaga pampahaba ng buhay. Ano?
Gusto muna.
Gusto makasama. Eh, ang problema, hindi kami kasha.
Ano? Pag ano ka?
Parang ganun lang.
Hindi, bala ko sabi ko sa kanya. Palit sa sakyan.
Magdalawang sasakyan, pero pagdating ko sa may
Manila ta pre ha.
Tulungan na lang kami dito. Wala nang bisita rito eh.
Ano ha?
Ito, mga anak mo. Sabi ko, ito si Ryan. Ito ko yung ano, si Ryan, si Ganun. O yung anak niya, gusto niya isusulat mo yung pangalan ng anak niya. Tapos, yung mga anak niya. Anak nila, ganun, asawa, anak nila para maisa-isa na. And then through pictures, ayun ang ginagawa namin. Pinapasyal ko doon sa kanila para yung memories niya, marami siyang ano, kaya marami siyang na ano din.
We have action. 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 Yo, naka-deflate ka ba? Naka-deflate?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Is it deflated? Your tire? What's what? It's fucking, you know? Might be a ghost somewhere, man. You need a new tire, man. A new tire. I saw that. That's cool. This guys, what's going on? That's easy.
easy peasy.
Super easy like that.
Yeah, next time get one.
Woohoo! Windshield rescue!
I like it like that.
Nice, easy. Everybody.
And I'll just pull them all the way home.
All the way home.
Keep going, go
I like the ramp pull the toy.
That's a disgrace.
Keep going, keep going. Pull that way to the blue truck and turn around.
Ito, makakapasok ka na.
Sarili-sarili ang aksidente.
Eh siya. Siya makapasok, wala kapasok ako. Try.
Sarili nangyari yan, kamagalan. Meron na itong dalawa, may iiyak ko nila nakita eh.
Yung demonyo ng agila ng Davao. Pumunta pa ng isang video, talo tuloy.
No. Mga aftermath. You know?
Kailangan ng iba din. Kape. Suro na, kape.
It's raining. There's a little rain shower. And we have a little friend right here. Come, buddy. Come. He's a very friendly boy. Good boy. With tiny feet. He wants to set down beside me. Good boy. It's like a little rabbit. Cloudy, but it's bright.
Mag-prepare ka na sa lamig. Meron ako doon yung parang.
This is called Christmas. Maritas. It's called Maritas. It's called Maritas. Guys, I will show you the best recovery kit. This is the most valuable recovery kit. Huh? This is we call pala or shovel. If you get stuck in the mud, you can use this. If you want to go for your own comfort, you can bring this with you in the bushes. So, if you are a professional off-roader, you must have this. Very useful. This is called Recovery Pro.